A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. Maswera. Welcome to African Indian Television Network. And this afternoon, let us talk about Zimbabwe. There is an interesting prophecy from Prophet Peter Wellington. He has been giving Zimbabwean prophecies for a very long time, and there are issues which passed or which came to pass. If you go and visit his page by YouTube, the Prophet Peter Wellington, you understand that Trikutaura started prophesying years ago about this election yakapera, and he went on to clearly say there was nothing new which was going to come from the election, but a process was supposed to come. He also went ahead and said there was nothing which was going to actually come out of SADC, and God will have work a plan from within. So he has clarified that prophecy. He made sure that he brought us to the attention very soon. So let me not waste your time. Let me just play this prophecy right here.
Listen, 2023 is strategically, spiritually positioning for the nation of Zimbabwe as it's turning 43 years of its own self-proclaimed independence. Now, this is coinciding with the 430 years that were given and assigned to Israelites to gain freedom and emancipation from the tyrant rule of Pharaoh and the Egyptians. Now, many people are saying, how does this then impact the trajectory to the new Zimbabwe? Now, listen carefully. I am bold on the wall against all odds to say this over and over again. I see many people, they've been putting their fingers, across in anticipation for precipitation from organizations like the EU, like the SADC and other international bodies. But as I've highlighted before, that the independence or the trend to the trajectory to the new Zimbabwe won't come out as a result of all these external factors. Look at this. God used Moses. Moses was an Israelite, a Hebrew, but he was born and raised in Egypt. He was seated close to Pharaoh. Now, what am I saying here? Do you know a stone that is inside is the only stone that has got the ability and the capability to pull away every stone that is external or every stone that is outside? What do I mean to say? Now, Zimbabwe's affairs are going to be dealt by the Lord internally. I saw a massive havoc that is going to trigger a miracle that will lead to a new Zimbabwe. Now, there are stones already that the Lord is inserted inside. As Moses was strategically planted, it was not a mistake. It was not a coincidence. Moses was raised there. Moses was born there. Moses was taught there. There is a stone in Zimbabwe which is inside, which was born there, raised there, and this stone shall be used by God to orchestrate the panel of beating and also the construction and the orchestration of a new Zimbabwe. Behold, Zimbabweans, it's a time to focus, to pray unto the Lord. There is a new stone that the Lord is planning already. It's working to your benefit. May Zimbabweans be blessed. In Jesus' mighty name, God bless you.
Prophet Peter Wellington is saying, he's clearly indicating that the plan is going to be worked from within Zimbabwe. And this coincides with what I have been telling you, to say the power makers have made decisions regarding the future of Zimbabwe and the opposition. So let us remain resolute, because we are so close to change. So do not despair. A lot of people have been exposed. A lot of people have been left politically vulnerable, and you start to see it very soon. So it is what it is. It is Team Zimbabwe. I don't know. Let us talk in the comment section. What do you think?